Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload Google Docs into your Google Drive. You can easily add files to your Google Drive folder and move them in between. Let's begin. First, open your favorite browser. I have my Chrome. Once you're here, just go and click or access your Google Drive, right? Then once you have your Google Docs selected, you can easily click on this icon right over here. I want you to focus on the top left corner, this icon that says move. You can click on it, all right? It will show you here suggested folders that you may want to move your Google Docs to. So if you select this, you can go on the right side, click on move. You will also have more options over here, and this will be optional. You can completely ignore this, but for example, I'm going to choose this folder. I'm going to click on move. All right. So that's it. You can now check your drive, and in that folder, my Google Docs should now appear in this specific folder. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.